Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another informative and useful video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how can you fix Instagram note feature not showing on your device. So guys, if you are facing this problem and you don't know that how can you fix this issue. So guys, today I'll show you how can you fix it. So let's start our video without wasting any time. So guys, first of all open settings and you have to make sure that your internet connection is working properly, and after that you have to make sure that there is not connected any VPN. After that open journal, tap on software update and make sure that you are using the updated version of iOS. If you don't have updated version, then update your device and close the page. Now after that open App Store and search here for Instagram, and from here guys simply tap on the app and update your app. So guys, after this check if the problem is fixed or not. If the problem is still there guys, then you have to just simply open settings again, tap on general, tap on iPhone storage. From here locate the Instagram app and here tap on offload the app, and after that offload app and reinstall it again. So guys, after this hopefully your problem will be fixed. If it is still not working, then you have to just simply open Instagram and you have to go for the help center and describe your problem to the help center, and they will try to fix your problem within 24 hours. So guys, report this problem to Instagram team and give a screenshot from here, and after that they will try to fix your problem within 24 hours. So guys, hope this video helps you. If the video helps you, then please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.